Under. The boy is sitting under the tree. The boy is sitting under the tree. On. The cat is sitting on the table. The cat is sitting on the table. In. The flowers are in the vase. The flowers are in the vase. Above. The bird is flying above the clouds. The bird is flying above the clouds. Below. The fish is swimming below the surface. The fish is swimming below the surface. Behind. The dog is behind the fence. The dog is behind the fence. Inside. The cat is inside the box. The cat is inside the box. Beside. The cat sleeps beside the window. The cat sleeps beside the window. Between. The river flows between the mountains. The river flows between the mountains.